Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 17th November current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Statue of Peace. We have seen there is a Statue of Liberty. Now Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji unveiled a Statue of Peace to mark the 151st birth anniversary celebrations of Jain Acharya Sri Vijay Vallabh Sureshwar Ji Maharaj. Here, Statue of Peace is a remembrance of Jain Acharya Sri Vijay Vallabh Sureshwar Ji Maharaj. He led an austere life as a Jain saint, working selflessly and dedicated to spread the message of Lord Mahavira. He worked for the message of Lord Mahavira. He also worked relentlessly for the welfare of masses, the spread of education, eradication of social evils, and wrote inspiring literature. This is about Jainacharya Sri Vijay Vallabh Sureshwar Ji Maharaj. That is the regarding Statue of Peace. Next one, Ramsar Convention. Recently, India has listed two more places in the Ramsar Convention. Here, Lonar Lake in Maharashtra, which is the only crater lake of the country, while here the first one, that is Lonar Lake, and other one is Sur Sarovar. It is also known as the Keetham Lake in Agra, which is located in state of Uttar Pradesh. Here, about Lonar Lake, we know that it is the only crater lake of the country. Here, the other one is, it is famous for birds, that is Sur Sarovar, or we will call it as a, also known as a Keetham Lake. Here, the Ramsar Convention signed on 2nd February 1971. It is the one of the oldest intergovernmental accord signed by the member countries to preserve the ecological character of their wetlands of international importance. Here, the Ramsar, it is a Italian city. Why? Because this convention signed in that city only. That's why this convention got that name, that is Ramsar Convention. We know that this Ramsar Convention is started or signed on 2nd February 1971. That is about Ramsar Convention. Next one, Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. Recently, 15 countries solidified their participation in the RCEP, that is Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, even as India opted to stay out after walking out of the discussions last year. The new trading bloc has made it clear that the door will remain open for India to return the negotiating table. Here, this RCEP is a China-backed one. Why they want India to sign? Why? Because China's big market is India. That's why if India signed in that RCEP, then they can dump their products in India, or India is a big market for China. That's why China wants to sign India in this partnership, that is Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. Here, what are the countries involved in this RCEP? This RCEP, described as the largest regional trading agreement. RCEP was originally being negotiated between 16 countries, Asian members, that is 10 members of ASEAN, and countries with which they have free trade agreements, that is FTAs, namely Australia, China, Korea, Japan, New Zealand, and India. Here, Australia, China, Korea, Japan, New Zealand, and India. These are the member countries are negotiating trade agreement between these 16 countries. Next one, foreign direct investment in digital media. Here, the Ministry of issued a public notice to facilitate eligible entities involved in uploading and streaming of news and current affairs through digital media to comply with the decision of government which had permitted 26% of FDI, that is 26% of FDI under the government approval. Here the word itself it defines. That means foreign direct investment. Any foreign company want to invest in India, then they have to invest from up to this percentage only. That means if they suppose want to invest in digital media, they will supposed to invest up to 26% only in this digital media sector. Here, any entity which intends to bring fresh foreign investment in the country has to seek prior approval of the central government through the Foreign Investment Facilitation Portal of DPIIT. Here, if any new entity or any entity which intends to bring the fresh foreign investment in the country, that has to seek the approval from the central government through the Foreign Investment Facilitation Portal of DPIIT. That is regarding FDI in digital media. In the part of previous paper analysis, I have taken UPSC Prelims 2020. Today we will discuss 17th question. In the context of recent advances in human reproductive technology, that is pro-nuclear transfer technology is used for, options are fertilization of egg into vitro by the donor sperm, genetic modification of sperm producing cells, development of stem cells into functional embryos, prevention of mitochondrial diseases in the offspring. Here the right option is D, prevention of mitochondrial disease in the offspring, that is pro-nuclear transfer. Here pro-nuclear transfer involves the transfer of pro-nuclear from one zygote to another. This technique first requires the fertilization of healthy donated eggs provided by the mitochondrial donor with the intending male parent sperm. That is regarding pro-nuclear transfer. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye-bye.